This is the MPU board from the nicest Apollo 13 on the planet. And it did have a little corrosion on the MPU, so we are going to test the switch matrix right now. And it was row 2 that was not operating correctly. Row 2, when you pressed any switch in row 2, it would cause all of the switches to fire, and the reason for that was some corrosion from the battery holder. Now I've abated this corrosion. There are two 560 ohm resistors that I put on the back of the board because these traces were eaten up. The circuit is now operating properly. Let's see, let's test the lamps. Operating correctly.
If they could get a washing machine to buy.
And that, gentlemen, is how we do that.
I want the procedure.
This board has got the 3-channel stereo, left, right speakers, and bottom board. And I missed the knocker somehow. That's weird that it doesn't have the knocker TWIP on this menu. Anyway, we are good to go.
Roger that, Houston.
Thanks for sending it.